Hey guys, so I just got another free item from Temu. This is the Pritom tablet, 8-inch, and let me tell you, I'm loving this. Devote in the Temu electronic world. Please use my link so that you can purchase this wonderful tablet and use my code TAS37828OMG to get a big discount. So let me show you my package right now. I feel so awesome having this product in my hand right now. I love tablets. So if you're a person that loves tablet like me, girl, excuse me, get one. Or if you're a man, please go and get one. Use my code to get the nice discount. So if you are a person that always want a tech item, and I have seen a lot of viral video on social media, but I don't want to spend that much money, so getting this free item, you can get it just for a small amount of money. Like OMG, who wouldn't want to buy a product for cheap and then the features is amazing? Oh, listen, the features is amazing, and the benefits, listen me, yeah guys, you don't need to use my link right now so you can get the discount. Come on guys, you can download the Temu app using my link down below, and remember my discount code is TAS37328 and you get a $100 bundle, or click the link below to get the same item and enjoy $100 bundle. Right, you first of all, you get free shipping, free return, shop 100 of items for under $5. Listen, big deal, you don't need no other deal than this, because listen, when I mean Temu give you things so on here so affordable, you get things so affordable. Like, look at this right now, look at this. Let me show you more. I open the box like that, and this Pritom tablet, 8-inch Android tablet, it have 2 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and let me tell you, have a HD IPS screen. Listener, and it is only for $49.99. $49.99. Where else you going to get that but on Temu? Like, come on, seriously, just use my link right now and you will get this awesome tablet. Like, it looks amazing. Like, you know long more one tablet, you know long, like, come on, I needed a tablet long time, and now that I got one, I gotta show it off, because Temu, thank you so much. This product is amazing, and I would not go anywhere else more than to get right here. So, right, I feel so proud to show off this product, because I love tablet, I love tech products. So guys, if you love tech products like me, darling, please go on and get the product right now. So let's show you. I'm gonna get a charger. Yes, I'm gonna show you. This is the charger head. Yeah, the charger head, right? And this is the charger. How it looks nice, right? It's a Type C. Yes, so all who love Type C charger, yes, this is the tablet for you, and you can use the Type C charger to do what you want to do anyway. Yes, and let me show you the product again. Show you. I'm just gonna take off the little piece of paper on here, because girl want to show you the full niceness of how the phone look good and it clean. And listen, it comes fully charged. Like, I was so surprised. I think the battery would have done by it done ship, isn't me? But it came fully charged, so you don't have to worry about charging problem. Listen, if you buy one phone, make sure it charge up, because if it half charge, but this phone, this tablet, it comes fully charge. Listen, Temu, Pritom, it is amazing. Guys, you can't miss out on this deal. None at all. Never miss out on this deal. You have to. And where's listen me, the tablet not even expensive. The tablet cheap. You know, it's so cheap. I'm just going to turn it on and show you now. Look at this. Just come up nice. Just go and enjoy the view and look how much turn it on and set it up and all them something there. And guess what? Little secret. No. But all I put on the Temu upon tablet here, you know. Because big up Temu. Big up Temu. I love you guys. I love you so much, guys. I love you so much. Look at this. Tell me now. Look how tablet pretty. Look how tablet pretty. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. So I'm going to use the link down below, guys. Use the link. Right here, so I just go on with myself, feel nice and bossy that I set up my nice Pritom tablet from Temu, and I tell you, I just go on with myself because I feel bossy, right? So, enjoy yourself. Love you know. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you know want me keep coming with the good things them. You know the good things them. Yeah, with the good things them. Yeah, with the good things them. Big up for yourself, guys. Love you know my subscribers. Hope you have a fantabulous day. Even though if that's the word. I love you guys. I love you guys. Let me go out with myself. Hey, share the video, you know. Share it. If your friend want a tablet for your birthday, Christmas, or your family, listen me, buy one tablet for your mother. Buy one tablet for your family member. Listen,